A larger-than-life figure and the architect behind the most successful period in Jamaica's cricket history. That is how some describe former Jamaica Cricket Association chairman of selectors Ruddy Williams, who died recently.
His name may be written boldly on the walls, but for many at Melbourne Cricket Club, Ruddy Williams will forever be engraved in the club's history. The field he will no longer walk, but he has paved the way for those who will come after him. As manager of Melbourne, Williams had a hand in the development of so many young players and gave belief to those who thought they couldn't achieve.
Ruddy was a good manager in my corner, always tutoring me, telling me the right things. And when him come and look at you and say, how the pitch playing today, you know that is one ball you get. You don't know how it's playing, but until you make 100, him come and look at you and say, well played, Wooly.
Williams' care for people went beyond the game.
Outside of the cricket field, he was always asking you if you're all right, you're good, how is work, how is everything, you understand? So it's kind of shaking to have a person of that stature gone.
We would talk a lot about cricket. He would take me back into the history of cricket, and it was a very good feeling. And you know, it is sad to know that he's gone now, but he left a legacy behind.
Those who knew him spoke firstly about his love for Melbourne Cricket Club, a place where he spent most of his days.
He loved Melbourne. I'm not sure I've met anybody who loved that club more than he did. I know he would spend his last dollar if something was needed, and he would just, get it.
Williams' work with the Jamaica Cricket Association is well documented, as he was lead selector during the most successful period of regional cricket for the country. It's said that Williams was also instrumental in having Australian-born Brendan Nash represent Jamaica, having qualified through his father, Paul Nash, an Olympic swimmer. When news of his passing broke, Nash took to social media and wrote, quote, "He had the bravery and foresight to look beyond the politics and made decisions on merit and was repaid by winning 5 regional titles," end quote. CEO of the Jamaica Cricket Association, Courtney Francis, had his personal encounters with Williams, who was a life member of the association at the time of his passing.
His contribution has been significant. Even after he was chairman of selectors, he would have been someone who I would have talked to personally to have gained some experience and some know-how as to how he went about his business, to help me in my job here as CEO, to guide me with regards to how he went about doing his things so I could use those as examples.
Ruddy Williams, who had been ailing for a while, died on New Year's Day at the age of 80. Renata Brown for TVJ Sports.
And of course, us here at the TVJ Sports Department express our condolences to the family and friends of Ruddy Williams.